Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to have our box plot with mean marker, as you see here. Okay, we are having our three data sets. We are having the size of the figure, and we are having the box plot here. This is my box plot. We are having data 1 to 3 there. We are having the labels from group 1 to 3. In order to have the mean marker, we need to have this keyword show means equals true. So it is going to show it, and its properties, when we want to discuss, we need to have the marker with the D style. We can have X, we can have O. It depends on what we are looking for. For example, O we can have when I run. You see now it's O, you see, okay, and it's of orange color. So we choose the color and we choose the edge color as well. So the edge color, you see it's black, and itself it's orange. We can decide whatever we want. So we can have X, for example, as the marker. So when I run, you see now it's X. So I would go with O because I think it's nicer. Yeah, okay. So now we are having the mean marker. This is how we can include them. We have the keyword show means equals true. Then about its property, we're going to include, for example, the edge color, the marker color, and the style of the marker. This is about the marker. What about if we want to have another way of plotting our box plot? If we want to change it, we can have the, for example, here equal to false. Okay. So when I run the code, sorry, I need to have another comma here. Okay. So when I run the code now, we see here we are changing the way that we were plotting. We are now plotting our box plot here in this photo horizontally and not vertically anymore. So we put the vertical to be equal to false, so it is going to have the horizontally. So if I put the vertical to true, it is going to keep it as it was. And if we want to have it in a horizontal way, we need to keep it equal to false. So now it's horizontal. So if you think that it's better, it's nicer, or if you are more comfortable with this way, you can show it this way. This is group 1, this is group 2, and this is group 3. And here is the lower whisker, Q1, Q2, and Q3, and upper whisker. And this is one outlier, for example, and etc. until the end. So this is how we can have not only a horizontal box plot, but also we can show our mean marker in box plots. Thank you for watching.